How to change Instagram picture after posting. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is posted. With that said, let's get started. Open Instagram. Navigate to the already posted picture that you want to change. Click on the three dots at the top right corner. As you can see here, there's a lot of options. One of them is the edit option, which allow you to change the stuffs that were added while posting the picture, such as caption. However, there's no option to change the picture itself after posting it, because Instagram hasn't provided that feature yet. And unfortunately, the only thing you can do is to delete this picture and post the new one again. So that was it for this video. That's how to change Instagram picture after posting. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. With that said, see you in the next video.